Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Cassandra Hope, the founder of the IBS Academy, and I am talking about a topic today that is near and dear to my heart, and it probably is to yours as well. It's coffee. Everybody loves coffee. I don't know anybody who doesn't love coffee. The ones who don't love it, usually it's because the coffee makes them feel like crap. And that's what we're going to talk about today is coffee good or bad for you? This is such a hot topic, and there are so many different types of angles and perspectives that you can look at this topic from in order to decide whether coffee is good or bad for you. Obviously, we're going to be looking at it from the point of gut health today, so that's what we'll be covering. So the first thing to consider when you are drinking coffee is if there is mold on your coffee. So mycotoxins is something that can be developed in all different kinds of foods. Usually it develops after the packaging process and on its way to the retailer. The specific thing with coffee is that you want to make sure that you're buying a coffee bean where the pulp has been washed off of the coffee bean. And obviously, when it's roasted, it really minimizes the amount of mycotoxins that you can come into contact with. The big kind of issue with mycotoxins in somebody with IBS or SIBO is that if your immune system is low, maybe your hydrochloric acid production is low, your microbiome has some work to do, or it's a little bit vulnerable, when you're exposed to other spores or bacteria, that's when other potential infections can happen. So my advice to you is to just listen to your body. If you're somebody who gets sick really easily, is chronically ill, is chronically getting different gut infections or food poisoning, etc., chances are you would want to buy a coffee that is mycotoxin free. And you can actually find these, potentially Google it, buy it off Amazon, or go to your local coffee retailer and see if it is certified mycotoxin free. The next point is whether the coffee is organic or non-organic. So all coffee is rich in antioxidants, which helps to reduce cellular damage. But when you're drinking a coffee that is not organic, those chemicals can be quite disruptive to the immune system, the nervous system. It can cause skin irritation and gut health issues. The Environmental Protection Agency has also noted that these chemicals contain carcinogens, and carcinogens are the material that promotes cancer growth in the body. So it's something to consider. My personal experience with coffee is that I can have one small cup per day, and that's all that my nervous system can handle. I want you guys to listen to your body. So if you are an anxious, kind of high-strung person, you get irritated easily, maybe you're suffering from IBS-D, chances are you will not tolerate more than one small cup of coffee per day or none at all, and that's completely fine. If you need to cut it out of your regime to protect your nervous system and your gut, maybe that's something that you should consider doing. The other side of it, though, is your genetics. So the CYP1A2 gene, which is something that we can test for through our Fit Genes program, you can click the link below to learn more about that. But the CYP1A2 gene will determine how slowly or how quickly you metabolize caffeine. So it's not just about mycotoxins, it's not just about chemicals, but it has a lot to do with genetics and how quickly or efficiently you are processing caffeine. So if you are slow at metabolizing it, chances are you're going to get quite irritated and irritable when you are drinking caffeine. So something else to consider. In terms of liver detoxification, it's important to have a good balance between phase 1 and phase 2 liver detox pathways, and coffee can increase your phase 1 pathway. So ways that you can support to balance that out are through whole food nutrition and supplementation. Cruciferous vegetables are amazing at helping to balance out your phase 1 and phase 2 detox pathways, as well as NAC. NAC is an antioxidant and a supplement that you can take which helps to promote glutathione production in the body, and glutathione is your body's strongest antioxidant and really supports liver detox. Okay, so for those of you who do tolerate coffee well, I wanted to share with you a beautiful summer iced coffee recipe, and we are going to head over to one of my favorite neighborhood healthy food eateries where they're going to show us how to make a beautiful cold brew lime and tonic iced coffee recipe. Okay, so we're here at Sweat and Soda, one of my favorite healthy eateries on the east side of Toronto, and I am with Dwayne. Dwayne is amazing.
Aw, thank you. As are you.
Thank you. I come and get my green smoothies from him almost every day, and we always have a riot. So we thought we would show you guys one of their amazing cold brew tonic recipes that they have here at Sweat and Soda. Dwayne's going to show us how to make it. Let's get started.
Looking forward to this. All right, are you ready? Well, you're going to need a couple of glasses, obviously. We're going to need some cut up lime, some tonic water. You're going to need a lot of ice. Grab your tonic water. You want to go about 3/4 of the glass of tonic. You're going to take a lime wedge, give it a little squeeze.
for those of you who don't have cold brew on tap, you can buy cold brew retail and just have that at home to make this recipe yourself. You want to give it a taste?
Yeah, totally.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.